Good afternoon, friends. Today we are going to do unboxing of Philips food processor. The model name is 1661. It's from Viva Collection. It says it has 700 watt powerful motor. It has power chop technology, which basically means that the blade has two angles. It is a mixer and grinder as well. It has got mixer jar and grinder jars. It has got centrifugal juicer. It blends, it does puree, it does smoothie also. It needs, and it has got 2 years warranty. Now we'll open it. Now we'll open the box. This is the front of the chopper. This is the blade, opening and knife. This is the plastic blade. This is the chopper. This is the grinder. We have got two grinders. This is the lid of the blender. This is the attachment of chopper. This is the first attachment of slicer. There is one more attachment. This is the second attachment of the chopper. This is the main unit. This is the main unit. It has got 2 speeds. This is the attachment. This is the blender. This is the small chutney jar. Then we have the user manual. So these are the complete attachments. As you can see, the plastic quality is absolutely fantastic, and this is, I suppose, made up of from a single plastic mold. It doesn't have any joints, and when you hold it, the feel it gives is very rich feeling. All the attachments are absolutely fantastic. This is the small chutney jar. Actually the size is very small, but basically it's for chutneys only. And then here you can find the grinder. The grinder has got the blade inside it already. Chutney jar also has a blade inside it. These are the complete attachment, and when we have a first look at it, it's actually very good quality. I hope this video will be helpful for those who are planning to purchase Philips food processor 1661, and it is a complete boxing, and we'll soon come up with a video of the working. Thank you so much. Bye.